everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now here we are at the Dollar Tree doing a shop with me, so come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. If you enjoy home life, if you enjoy cleaning, decluttering, organizing, shop with me's and hauls, and so much more, then this is the channel for you. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. So instead of doing too much talking, I'm going to go ahead and show you each item right here in the front of the store of their seasonal section. And I'll see you at the end. absolutely wonderful stuff at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video.